So my 14-year-old niece is newer to wood carving, so I wanted to grab her this set for Christmas time. I'm really impressed with the quality of this whole set. The handles on here are made out of walnut, so they're nice and sturdy and strong. They've got like this oiled handle so it doesn't sit in your hand and just kind of rub weird. The blades are nice and sharp. I'm actually really kind of addicted to this one right here. I love carving out the center of this wood block. And what's nice is they do provide 8 pieces of wood so that they can practice on it. It also comes with a pair of gloves. They're not shown here. And then this little bag that holds everything. It also comes with this polishing compound and a leather strap that basically polishes and sharpens the knives. So just overall, I am extremely happy with this set. She is thrilled to start using it. Now, if you are even thinking of taking up wood carving, then I definitely recommend trying this one out. It's perfect, folds up as you can see, stores everything nice. So I would definitely recommend this.